centimeters, which is where I'd probably have it. I don't mind long videos with detail. I actually prefer them. But I thought I tried something a little bit different with this. There's a wee bit of a drip there on that bracket I made, but that's actually where the GoPro mounts, so that's going to get wrecked that bit anyway. It's not 100% dry, it takes 48 hours. I'm going to put that to one side, but it's nice. It's come out okay. I put it to one side just now. It doesn't get very warm in here. I'll put it over here. And this one, this morning, it was just abysmal, the weather. I got the bike started eventually. At first I couldn't get the key in. The lock was completely frozen. When I did get it started, I was revving it and revving it and revving it. This is at 5:30 in the morning. It wasn't funny for the neighbours, I can tell you that much. So when I did get it taken over, I couldn't get it moving. The brakes had seized up with the cold, so because it's been so wet here, I never got the mount on. That's the long and the short of it. But like I was saying, I don't mind long videos with detail, but I know some people find it boring. So I thought I'd do a different format. I was watching a guy called Merco Mods. And it's an interesting way he does. I couldn't watch videos like that all the time because, like I say, I like long and detailed videos. I find them entertaining. You know, it's something to sit and watch, something interesting, informative. You can learn things. But I just kind of cut my video off and see what you think. I'll put a link to it. It was just fabricating this bracket and painting that other wee bracket. It's only 12 minutes. It's kind of different to what I usually do. Anyway, that's to be painted. It's to be tested first, see if it still vibrates, because there was a bit of a shudder in the footage. I didn't like that. I like it to be really solid, no vibration whatsoever, no movement. Because you notice at the side it gets swimmy sometimes, doesn't it? I don't like any of that. So this is to be painted. Now here we have what I've been waiting for. I sold a fume extractor. Just going to blow the nose. Oh dear. I tell you what, it was cold this morning. Now it's raining. That wasn't funny this morning. I ended up phoning my boss and asking for a lift. She said, yeah, no problem. 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm slightly late for work, but there you go. At least I got there and I did it. I'm just going to open this thing. This is it's sold by Maplin. So what does that say there? It's a smoke fume extractor. Okay. Is there anything else? What else does it say on this? Solder fume extractor helps reduce the likelihood of headaches, eye irritation and nausea and coughing. Adjustable angle for accurate placement, high performance fan, 3-pack of replacement activated carbon filters available. Order code. Alright, so you don't get them. Okay, but it was $15.99 and the rest of them were a lot more than that. Instruction manual. I think it's pretty straightforward. What does it say there? It's a 23 watt consumption. 1400 grams, 1.4 kilos. So it's quite heavy, not bad. You get 2 filters apparently. Replacement parts N34CH. Okay. So I got it from Maplin on eBay for $15.99. Nice. Put this in the box with that. So as we unbox it, what do we get? Okay, we get the filters in a little bag. 2 filters. I wonder what size they are. I've got a ruler down here. They're 130mm squared. Okay, they were there. Plastic bags can be dangerous. Okay, so we've got the two filters there. And this is the kiddie here. Let's get it out of the box. And it has a plug on it, amazing. And I'll put the instructions away. I might as well turn my soldering iron on because I'll be doing a bit of soldering. You have to tell me what you thought of the last video, and if you like that format. I don't personally, I think it's too quick. I like the detail, I like to be entertained, to be taught. I don't like watching stupid things. I'll turn the soldering iron on. This is where we're going to put this for best results. I could put it straight in front of me, couldn't I? Let's get the little thing off it. Little bag. Oh, exciting. On off switch, adjustable. There's a foam filter in there already, so you get 3 filters. That's very good. How does that come on? Oh, we'll get to that in a second. So I don't need them, I just thought I assumed I needed one. But I don't. I must get rid of these boxes and stuff. I must get rid of loads of stuff. So I've got cord. How long is the cord? A little twist strap there. Be too sharp. I'm going to turn my other little extractor fan on. Yeah, just because it's still quite paint fumey in here. I was painting last night. Here's the cord. What is the length of the cord? It's not that long, but it's. What is that? So you've got 30 centimeters. Is that? And you've got another 30 centimeters, so you've got a metre, haven't you? A metre of cord. It's adjustable slightly. I think it's fantastic for. I'm trying it, of course, but I just really like it. Like the look of it, it feels solid. Like I say, it's got a bit of weight to it. So how am I going to have it? Watch you don't get burnt with the soldering iron. So I'd probably have it there. Okay, and it pushes the other one out of the way. Fan out of the way, don't need that fan. And I'd probably solder in my helping hands. I'd have to put the lump hammer in a different direction. And I don't want to be too far away. Oh, the lump hammer would still go there. Too far away from the bench, because you know, if you're kind of far away from the bench and trying to reach over, you get sore back eventually. So I could pop that there even. That wouldn't matter, would it? What's the experiment? So I'll plug it in. What I'll do first actually is I want to show you the filter, how it comes out. It's pretty straightforward. Just undo that. So look at the fan in it. There's a little carbon filter. Interested to see the power of it. Plug it in. That's it. Oh yeah. It's noisy, man. You know that's working. You contrast that with that little thing. See if you can see it from there. I don't know if you can see that from there. Possibly can. I think it's got quite a wide view point, that GoPro. And then we turn this one on. Yeah, that'll suck the fumes out, like, because that one did. Okay. And there's a grate there, safety grate for that thing spinning, because that will kind of hurt you. Put your fingers in there. And on the back there's a grate on the back, safety grate. It's kind of slotted at the back for some reason. Must be something you can put on the back. Ah, you must be able to get a bit of piping. Clip on a bit of piping and it takes it out with them. It's interesting that. I might contact them. Ask them about that. That'd be handy. Because it won't need much of it. The out window's just there. Let's see how she performs. I'm interested to see how much solder goes through it. I'm guessing if you get this into that square nice and tight, it just fits into that 113mm square. Get that in there. I mean, it doesn't hurt to undo the manufacturer's kind of fitting, because sometimes they're a wee bit rushed and they're not fitted right. Get them like that. So I'd want that about, even if it went on the edge, like you see, you can adjust the fan, so you can adjust it. I'll get it to a height where I'm kind of happy. It's quite I like that these knobs turn in different directions, so you tighten evenly. You get it to the desired height, and it doesn't move much. Okay, let's just prepare a bit of something to solder. I'm using the work zone today. I feel like using the work zone. Well, the criticism so far, it's a wee bit noisy, but that's okay as long as it does its job. I think I've got it angled too high, maybe too far away as well. I can test it out too. I'll put it out here, and I've got another ruler to measure how effective it is. This is a 30cm 12-inch ruler. So basically the fan starts about there. So the job is 30cm away. Let's see how that performs. No, that's no good. That's better. A bit more, a bit much. A bit much on there. Got a cup of coffee somewhere. Have a drink of coffee. Okay, let's get this thing there. Let's see how it performs at 30cm away. Oh, and I'm going to hook up this other GoPro. I thought I had a drip coming in there. Something's dripping there. Something is dripping there. What's that then? It's not water. Dripping from that bottle. I wonder why it's doing that. It's strange. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. I would be dripping out of there. Hold on a second. Oops! I'll just show you what's dripping. I don't know why it's dripping. See, we're charging this thing. We're recording and there's charge. So this bottle here is dripping. Why would that be dripping? That's weird, isn't it? Anyway, we'll deal with that. Put that there. Or I could put it on. What did I put on last time? I'll put it on that. And you can see the solder in action. Was it that or was it a cup? No, that's some toiling in a cup. Did I have that on? Did I have it on my bottle of oil? I keep a bottle of oil. No, probably better than that. We'll put it on that. See how we get on. No preview screen, you see. Okay, let's see if it gets rid of that silver. 30 centimeters. Is that 30 centimeters? Yes, it is. 30 centimeters. Yeah. Fine, is it out? Okay. Let's go for it. What's that iron like? Needs a wash. Needs a clean. I prefer this work zone to the faithful. I certainly prefer the work zone tips to the faithful tips. Get rid of that. There was nothing coming out of that. Just giving that tip a clean, it's a bit dirty. I mean, the faithful does have a longer cord though, which is useful. I wouldn't usually be this far back. Let's see if it sucks up at 30 centimeters. Chin the wire, no, it's not, is it? Oh, it is, yeah, it is. Just gets it at 30 centimeters. Yeah, it kind of goes up then and arcs round. What I do is I want to tilt that up. And tilt this up slightly. See how we get on there. So it is getting it at 30 centimeters, but not as efficient as it could be. That's worse. I've made it worse. That's worse. Oh. Let's put it to... It's going to get it at 25 centimeters, isn't it? That's the job at 25 centimeters. Let's try it. Yeah, it's getting it at 25. I reckon it should be closer though. It's dirty, that's it. At least there's nothing going to get in that fan, you know. There's always grates. Yeah, it needs to come further forward. Yeah, it's getting it at 25. I reckon it should be closer though. Give that clean, it's dirty, that's it. At least there's nothing going to get in that fan, you know. Because of those grates. Yeah, it needs to come further forward. It's not efficient even at 25. Try doing that. Try tilting that. That's all I lied. Tilt it forward a bit. At 25 centimeters. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's grabbing it. Just though. Put it 20 centimeters, which is where I'd probably have it. Yeah. It is grabbing. It's not going straight into my face, but it is kind of missing the fan. Try tilting the fan up. Yeah, it's grabbing it now. Just look. I'll bring it forward 5 centimeters. So bring it to, so that's now 15 centimeters from the job. No problem. Let's try tilting it up. I'll tilt it down actually, see what happens if I tilt it down. Not a lot. Tilt it up to where I think it would be a good place to have it. There's nothing coming out of the back of that. So that thought was taking the hit. It's taking that. Tilt up slightly more. It's not as efficient like that. It's definitely better pointing at the job. Oh, what am I doing to that iron? Goodness me. I'm getting loads of copper in the iron on the tip. Okay, so it is getting the fumes at 15 centimeters. Let's try 15 centimeters. Let's try on a couple of centimeters in front of it. See, 12 and 13 centimeters away. Got a bit of wire going. It's gone. There it is. I could deal with that noise, no problem if it's going to help. Like, I mean, the amount I've been burning, it's not fume in here. Where are we? We're at 13 centimeters away. I'm going to try raising it slightly. Kind of be over the job, you know. These two boxes here, I could rig something up, no problem. And get that ruler there. About like that. That's acceptable to me. A couple of these boxes, I've got some of these spare, but I could rig something up. Okay, tilt it down a bit. Let's see if it's better over the job. See if I'm there. Tilt up a bit. You might be able to see that better than me. If the job is here, It's catching almost all of that, isn't it? Try it tilted fully forward. It's not catching like that. So it has to be pointed straight at the job. Has to be quite close, and I don't think it matters if it's up or it just has to be pointed straight at, and it has to be quite close to the job. As long as I know. I don't mind £15, £16 less a penny. I'm going to unplug this now. So it's very interesting. I think just to recap, or as a bit of a summary, you have to be quite close to the job. I would say that's I'm 10 centimeters away from this job. Maybe not as no. The fan's probably 8 minus 24, which is 16 centimeters. Say 15 centimeters away from the actual fan to the job. So that's okay. I can live with that. That's, if I'm indoors, that's better than nothing. It's not. I'm not smoking. I haven't opened the door at all. You can sense that there has been soldering going on, but it's acceptable. I mean, if I'd burnt all that before without that thing, or even without the fans I rigged up myself, I wouldn't be able to stand in here, I wouldn't be able to breathe. So, like you can tell it's smoky, but I'm going to open the door. But with the amount of solder I've burnt, I could have just soldered 50 things, and I wouldn't be doing that in an evening. So yeah, that's okay. It's not bad for the money. It's okay. I'm going to upload all of this video. I'm not going to cut it at all, or not like I did before the previous video, because I do like longer videos, and I'm hoping my audience does as well. I'd just like to say thanks for watching.